Hi guys, my name is Joe Bertels and I am the Assistant Product Manager at Cougar with Keystone RV. Today we're going to take a look at our all-new 316 RLS. This is part of our Amy Gray Signature Series with our brand new decor, driftwood. Some really exciting new features in your kitchen, bathroom, and upper deck that we're going to go over. So let's take a look. We're here in the kitchen, and as you can see, great big island countertop, accent countertop over here, lots and lots of storage. Okay, do have an option here. This is a RV refrigerator, so a nice big 4-door refrigerator. We do also have the option for a residential refrigerator. Nice back bar here with more countertop space. You've got an outlet for your coffee maker, and again, storage, storage, storage. So there's a big, big pantry. So as we come in here, we've got a new freestanding table design where we've removed the pedestal. It's attached to the wall. You can see we've gotten the carpet out of the slide box floor here, so it makes it really attractive, but also really easy to clean up, sweep out. Big oversized windows with new roller shades. So as you're sitting here, you're looking out on your campsite. Theater seating is standard. You've got a trifold sofa with an oversized window in the back. And then it comes into our entertainment center with a 50-inch TV, fireplace, great big luxurious living space. As we move into the bathroom here, we've got a redesigned dual vanity, dual mirrors, so lots of open space for getting ready. Porcelain foot flush toilet, large oversized shower, towel bar. Again, lots and lots of storage. We've added drawers below. You'll see that across the Cougar line. Very functional, very accommodating bathrooms in all our Cougar floor plans, but the dual vanity in this 316 is awesome. Here in the bedroom, tons of features to talk about as well. As you can see, this one is built with our optional king bed. New accent wallboard in the closet as well, kind of decorate this up a little bit. You'll see, as always with all of our Cougars, outlets and USB ports on both sides of the bed. That's important for CPAP machines, alarm clocks, cell phones, charging. Tons of storage, lots of hanging space. Accommodates a washer and dryer prep as well. All the stuff you need to take everything with you. Guys, thanks for taking the time to check out our new 316 RLS. For more information, go to keystonerv.com/Cougar. Enjoy and happy camping.